Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Snapchat without the verification code. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's start. Now, open up your Snapchat here, and if you're trying to log in and you don't know your password or you're entering in your password but it keeps saying it sent you a verification code and you're not receiving it, and you don't have that verification code to be able to log in, I'm going to walk you through several different steps that you can take to get that account back and log in. So the first thing you can do is if you're using a new phone or a new device, try going back to a device that you've logged into Snapchat before. If you have a device that is already logged on Snapchat, has a kind of authenticated that's one of your devices, then they might not ask you to send that verification code. So try one of those other devices and maybe reset your password or change your phone number on that account. If you don't have access to maybe another device that you've logged in. So here, I'm on the login page, and what I can do here is if I say forgot my password, just tap forgot password, and it will give an option to either get code to a phone number or an email. If I choose phone, I can enter my phone number, or if I choose email, I can enter my email. And this will send me a verification code to reset the password. Keep in mind that you'll need access to that email or phone number. But if it's still not working, it might be an issue with the settings on your phone. So go to your settings and scroll down until you find messages, tap on it, and scroll down until you see send as SMS. Make sure this is toggled on, then find filter unknown senders. Make sure that it's toggled off. Now you can go back and restart your phone. Very last thing you can do is open up your email, create an email, send to support@snapchat.com, and say account login into the subject line. And here type in a lengthy email that explains what you've done to try to log to your account. Use the email address associated with your account, and you might include also the phone number that you used, and it's really good if you can just snap a quick photo of your driver's license or passport so Snapchat knows exactly who you are based on that, and will be able to help you reset your password and log into your account even without the verification code. So you should hear back from them in the next 1 to 3 days. Hope this helps and see you on the next one.